Hi, David. My name is Caitlin from Next Level SEO OKC. I'm sending you this video because you commented on my post on Facebook for the Home Inspectors group, and I wanted to just give you some tips for your website to really drive some power and traffic to your website for some new clients. So we'll talk about three different things. We'll talk about content, citations, and backlinks. We'll also go through your competitor's website and show you the two spots you really want to land on Google to own some real estate with them. That will definitely help you get some more traffic. So first thing we'll talk about is content. And content is just your writing about your business, your services, and your team. So you have about 162 words, and Google really looks for 1,000 to 1,500 words. They want to find the person that is the best in this field in your area, the expert. And so one of the ways they rank that is to see how many words you have. So again, you want about 1,500, and right now you're at 162. Next, we'll go through the back part of your website. And I use this information, or I find this information on Ahrefs. It's Ahrefs. And this just shows us a lot of where you're getting your power and a lot of your traffic from. So domain rating is your DR rating, and that's going to be what you want to focus on. You want to bring that to the highest number that you can get. So 7's a start, but you definitely want to raise that rating. And some of the ways you do that is you add backlinks, which you have 644. That's a really good start, but you want to make sure that you're getting some backlinks that have a lot of power. Some backlinks don't do anything for you, and some do quite a bit for you. And referring domains is just the websites, other people's websites that your links are on. And so I'm sure you know, having 644, but backlinks are just different links on other people's websites that they'll be reading about home inspection or buying a new home, and they'll click a word and it comes straight back to your website. Another thing that we focus on are organic keywords. And so your exact company has a really high volume of people searching per month. So 700 people a month are searching integrity home inspection. And with that, you have a KD of 9 for that word, or that word has a KD of 9. And you want that anywhere from 0 to 5. And that just means keyword difficulty. So when people are searching this, there's a lot more businesses that have integrity home inspection on their website. So from 700 people searching, you're getting 11 people coming to you and talking to you about your services and potentially using your company. And that's mainly because you're on position 8. So Google has 10 different companies on each page, and you want to focus on getting with 1 through 3 position on Google. So right now you're at 8, 10, so you're really on that first page of Google, which is a great start. So before we go to your competition, we're going to talk about Google a little bit. So I just searched home inspection Ohio, and it pulled up this Google map pack. That's what we call this right here. And you want to register your business with Google. You'll create a Google account, put your business information in. They'll send you a postcard. Once you get a postcard, or that postcard, you'll put the code that's on that postcard into your account, therefore creating a Google My Business account. Once you do that, you can add a few things on here that will definitely get you in this area, and we'll kind of talk about that in a moment. Now, as far as organic ranking, that's all of these businesses here. Now, usually there's a lot of businesses, but right now, taking up this area is just license, or how to get licensed for being a home inspector, and really that's about it for you guys in this area, and training, how to become a home inspector. So organic ranking is going to involve your website layout, your content, your backlinks, and keywords, everything that's on your website. So I couldn't find anyone on this first page that's an actual business. These are all just licensed companies. So I went ahead and clicked this first company in the Google map pack area, and that's the Ohio Home Inspections Company. Now with them, they only have 327 words of content, And so they'd be pretty easy to beat out as far as content for their page. Now, if we look at the back end of their page, this is where they're really gaining a lot of ground in that area. Their domain rating is 30. They have backlinks of 945 on 190 different websites. Now, their organic keywords, this is something great to look at. They have 624. So anything over 150 is a good keyword to target. So Ohio Home Inspectors gets 250 people searching per month. Only has a KD of 8. Again, you want 0 through 5, but anything below 20 is pretty good to target. It just takes a little bit more time the higher the rating is. So 250 people searching, they are getting 10 people back to their website and back to their business. And they are position 8. Really, all of their positions are on that first page, except for this one down here. They're on the second page. Okay, last thing I will talk about are citations. So with citations, this is how you get into this organic area pretty quick. So you'll enter your NAP onto other websites, and that simply is your name, address, and phone number, just as how it looks registered on Google. And you'll enter these into different websites that are like white pages for the internet. That will create a citation. So right now you guys have 27 different citations, whereas the Ohio Home Inspections Company has 37. And really, my clients that are with me for 6 months have anywhere from 350 to 500 citations. And that's really what you want to focus on. That way you can get up into that Google Map Pack area, as well as we'll work on getting you organically ranked on Google, and you will see an influx of customers. So if you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you for commenting on my post. If I could be of any help or any service to your business, please let me know. My number is 405-627-2693, or my email is Caitlin at nextlevelseo-okc.com. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.